Hey everyone, wanna buy now and pay later? Today we're comparing Afterpay and PayPal Pay in 4 to see which saves you more money. Let's break it down. Afterpay lets you split your purchase into 4 equal payments over 6 weeks. You pay the first 25% upfront, then the rest every 2 weeks. It's interest free, so you only pay the item's price if you pay on time. But miss a payment and you'll face a $10 late fee plus $7 more if unpaid after a week. Afterpay works at many stores but not everywhere. And your spending limit starts low, around $350, but can grow to $2,000 with good payment history. PayPal Pay in 4 also splits your purchase into 4 equal payments over 6 weeks, with the first payment due at checkout. Like Afterpay, it's interest-free, but here is the big win. PayPal doesn't charge late fees. You just need to contact support if you miss a payment. It's available at millions of stores when PayPal is accepted, and you can spend up to $2,000 right away, depending on your account. So which saves you more? Both are interest-free, so the cost is the same if you pay on time. But Afterpay's late fees, $10 or more, can add up fast if you miss a payment, while PayPal has no late fees, making it safer if your budget's tight. PayPal also works at more stores and often gives a higher starting limit. However, Afterpay's app is super easy to use and great for shopping at specific brands like Nordstrom or Lululemon. Choose PayPal Pay in 4 if you want no late fees and wider store options. Pick Afterpay if you love its simple app and shop at its partner stores. Both can save you money if you pay on time, but PayPal's flexibility makes it a bit safer. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment on which you prefer. Like and subscribe for more videos.